This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Vagabonds Car Club at their spring opener in East Petersburg, PA. We're checking out some of the really fine cars. This is always a great event. Some very interesting cars come by. And again, you know me, I like my variation. This vet sounds real good, real good. Oh, listen to that girl, 427, nothing like a big block. Beautiful. Oh, followed by another 427. Little bug by a 65, 66, somewhere around there. Oh, look at this Chrysler. This is gorgeous.
I didn't know what time I could get out.
I'm going to try to catch the nose. Let's see. That's about a 66, somewhere around there. 60. Look at those square lines. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. 66?
66.
Very nice. Very nice. I love it. Great family hauler. And of course a Ford. Still that, not that elusive 41, which we are looking for. 48? 46, okay. Missed it by that much.
Pretty close altogether.
I know, just a little bit difference on the nose. Lovely car. Oh, look at this 300. That's gorgeous. After they clip the wings, it's very interesting. Really smooths them out. And try to switch over here so I get a better shot. Nice Chrysler. Look how magnificent that is. Last of the huge ones. That's a New Yorker. Beautiful. Marat, you'd love that one. There's Vagabonds. Nice ride for a T. How you doing? Good morning, good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Very good. Staying warm? Looks good. Oh, look at this Ford. Wow. 35, 36. Again, a little Resto. Two-door sedan. Got a Corvette. This is a favorite of mine, a little Chevy with a chop. Two-door sedan. Look at that chop. That looks good. That looks real good. Louvered hood. That's a 39. French-tin taillights. I like it. A little bit of modern muscle coming in. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Great looking Camaro. We've seen that one before. That's Nightmare, of course. Followed up by the Smoke, the Patriotic Camaro. That one, she has all of the veteran signage. Nice little ratty rod over here. I like your here. Very good. Can't wait for a hot coffee, eh? Oh, that is wonderful. I love seeing these. Now that is really the hot rod. Look at these Ford International. Yeah.
Oh, I like the old straw. Oh, there is.
That's beautiful. Beautiful. The barrel, the grill, Fords. Oh, nice job. Nice job. And of course, a pretty young lady driving it. That's beautiful. See if I brighten it up a little bit. There we go. Oh, Dodge. Sorry about that. That was a Dodge. It's about 35, 36. Let's see if we can find out. What year Dodge?
What year? 46.
46. Very good. Very good. That's off a little bit. I like it.
All right, thank you.
But I'm pulling in, because they are getting in. Folks are working really hard. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the Vagabonds opening spring kickoff show. 396. I love these orange Camaros. These things are just so cool. 469, 396. Listen to that purple. Number carburetors, we used to have a lot of trouble. I just have to catch these last two coming in. There's a whole bunch more rolling in. Look at this. Beautiful. Now that's an International. Is that cool? That is one's fine workhorse. We've seen this little rod before. A nice blend of everything. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Vagabonds car show in East Petersburg. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. We got hundreds of events on there now. Make sure your stuff is in front of them. And if you like this video, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.